Alright, so we let off a full round, both sides of the Kel-Tec KSG, and this baby is sweet. I already started off. You can see I already got the middle, the whole red target is going. So we're gonna finish that target off. I think I'm gonna rip it before I finish both of these.
We're gonna cut to shoot that.
Let's see what they shoot like. Let it come over here. I'm gonna tear that little corner where the 7 is over. Here we go. One more. Ooh, that was... Wow. So the Remington ain't the only one that can tear this paper up.
You love that. Hard to
So that's the KSG.
That one, yeah. No, that was the
14 shot, 12 gauge. Wow, that baby is nice.
Yeah.
It's a party.